This pure Ayurvedic hair oil will help you grow your hair massively well. I started my natural hair journey a few months ago, and guys, you can see that my hair looks short, but it shrinks, which is also healthy. I'm making a video where I will show you the length of my hair, guys. This is so healthy. This is so potent for your hair. Okay, I use it for my hair, I use it for my baby girl, my husband uses, my children, the boys, they use it. And trust me, no inchy scarf for me that is growing my hair, my baby girl, nothing like breakage. All right, so you are welcome to this channel if you're looking for a homemade hair oil that has no chemicals but healthy natural ingredients. Please watch this video to the end and see how I got this Ayurvedic hair oil made. Okay, it's a potent hair oil. You are gonna like it. Okay, I'm going to be listing the names of all the ingredients I used. You can see them right here. All right, thank you so much. Now I want to welcome you, especially if you're my returning subscriber. God bless you so much for coming. And if this is your first time of coming to my channel, of seeing my video, please do well to subscribe to this channel. Do well to feel at home. Turn on the notification bell. Please like the video for me. Help me, guys. Let this video go viral. And God will bless you for supporting your girl. Thank you so much for coming. I'm going to list the names like I said. Please watch the video to the end. And more videos are coming up on how to use this and hairstyles for protective natural hair. Okay, videos on how to make hair butter also is coming up here, and hairspray tea with rose petals, with all the potent Ayurvedic ingredients. I'm gonna be bringing them to this channel. Okay, so stay glued. If you're on a natural hair journey, stay glued. If you are relaxed and you want your hair to stay healthy, you want your scarf not to be inching, you don't want your hair to be breaking, stay glued on this channel because I'm bringing you all the recipe that you need. All right, if you have not liked the video, please do well to like it, and I will so appreciate you watch the end and leave me your review on this. Okay, God bless you so much. Enjoy the video. Please do not skip, watch the end. Thank you so much, guys, for coming. I got all the ingredients blended. Okay, the next is the oil that I'm going to be using. You can use any carrier oil of your choice. Okay, and please, for all the ingredients that I put, all the seeds that we saw, you must not use all of this. Please go with what works for you and what you have at the moment. Actually, you can even use just 3 ingredients. Fenugreek is there, flaxseed is there, black mustard seed is there, black seed is there, We've got I have my moringa leaves, they are there. So you can as well just use any three of these ingredients, I just mentioned. Okay, you must not use all the 20 of them that I used, or 18 thereabout. And for the oil, you can use just extra virgin olive oil or coconut oil, but I had to incorporate all of that. And you're gonna see I incorporated also avocado pear oil. Okay, let me make something clear. In this video, the oil we're making, we're infusing it. All right, we are infusing this oil for a month. That's 4 weeks. You can infuse for 2 weeks if you like. I have another video of where I did my double boiler method. So like this one, I'm making it to stay for a longer time because I have oil already. But if I don't have oil already, I will just do double boiler method. The video for that is coming up shortly. But this one, I infused it for even more than a month because I totally had enough oil I was using. So I left it. The more it stays, the more potent it is, and the more all the ingredients get to infuse properly. Okay, so this is actually oil that we are infusing to stay for over a month. All right, you can see how this is, guys. Clove is okay. You can use just clove and rosemary in yours if you want. Just make do. So this is the oil. It is ready. This stayed for actually over a month, guys. It stayed for more than a month. So I sieved it over and over with different sieves. Okay, so if you have this scarf sieve they use better for you, I have this, and I noticed that after sieving it, some particles were in there, so I had to sieve it again with a smaller double the sieve, and it helped me to get more out, as you can see this. And then the next, for the last part, this is it, what came out, fiber or chaff, whatever you call it. Then again, I had to sieve again with this smaller sieve, which is more smaller, and only oil passed. You can see there's still some. I also sieved again while filling them up in my bottle, and we are good to go. All right, use your hair oil after you have done with your cream, with your liquid. Okay, another video is coming up on how to do LCM. Okay, how to use this product. It's also good to know how to use it and how long you should use it. 3 times a week is perfect. 2 times a week is perfect to help your hair stay in check and properly moisturized. Okay, so please like the video if you have watched this point and you have not liked. Please do well to like it. God bless you so much, everyone that has watched it. Thank you. Subscribe if you have not. Turn the notification bell on, and God will bless you for me. I will see you again in my next video. I'm your girl P Love. How to make Ayurvedic hair butter is coming up. Stay glued, guys. Thank you. While editing, I just discovered I didn't add any essential oil, guys. So I have my lavender oil, tea tree oil, and clove oil with rosemary oil. So you choose any of them. Lavender oil is the best for me because the fragrance is heavenly, but I chose to add all of them. You can just use 1 or 2. Just shake it and you're good to go. The fragrance is beautiful. God bless you.